Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, we're tackling a common Flutter Firebase Analytics issue. It's the dreaded missing Google_up_ID error. This can be frustrating. But don't worry. We'll walk through the solution step by step. This video will help you get your analytics working correctly. Let's dive in. First, let's understand why this error happens. The missing Google_up_ID error means your Flutter app isn't properly connected to your Firebase project. Firebase needs this ID to identify your application. It's like a key that unlocks the connection. Without it, Firebase Analytics can't send data. There are a few reasons why this might occur. One common cause is incorrect configuration files. These files tell your app how to talk to Firebase. Another reason could be that the files are simply missing from your project. Let's fix this. First, double-check your google-services.json file for Android. This file holds crucial configuration information. Ensure it's present in your Android/app/ directory. This file is specific to Android. Next, examine your google-service-Info.plist file for iOS. This file serves the same purpose as the google-services.json file, but for iOS. Make sure it's in the correct location within your iOS project in Xcode. If these files are missing, download them from your Firebase console. Go to your Firebase project. Find your app under Project Overview. Download the appropriate configuration file for your platform. Remember to download the correct file for Android or iOS. Once you've downloaded the files, add them to the correct directories in your Flutter project. For Android, put the google-services.json file into Android/app/. For iOS, add the google-service-Info.plist file to your project using Xcode. Right-click on your project name, select Add Files to your project name, and choose the plist file. After adding the files, clean and rebuild your Flutter project. This ensures that the new configuration files are properly integrated. In your terminal, run flutter clean. Then, run flutter pub-get. Finally, rebuild your app for Android or iOS. This step is crucial for applying the changes. Sometimes, the problem persists even after adding the files. In this case, double-check your build.gradle files. Ensure that you have the necessary Firebase dependencies. Look for lines like classpath com.google.gms google-services4.x.x in your project-level build.gradle file. Also, verify the Firebase SDK dependencies in your app-level build.gradle file. Make sure these versions are compatible. Another possible solution is to try running Flutterfire configure. This command helps you set up Firebase in your Flutter project. Follow the prompts to select your Firebase project and configure your platforms. It can automatically handle some configuration steps. Finally, if you're still having trouble, check your Firebase console for any warnings or errors. Firebase might provide specific guidance based on your project's configuration. That covers the key steps for resolving the missing Google_up_ID error. We hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe for more Flutter tutorials. Consider supporting us through Patreon or by buying us a coffee. Your support helps us create more helpful content. Share this video with anyone who might be struggling with this error. See you in the next video.